Hi there, I'm Tim Hawes from the locals at Raywhite Kingsland, and welcome to 60D Malvern Road, Western Springs, where we're putting the word out to all those getting onto the property ladder, downsizing or looking at investments. This is one to watch. Whether you're moving up, down or just getting on the property ladder, you'll be glad you took the time to check it out. You'll appreciate the two generous and evenly sized double bedrooms and the fact they both have excellent built-in storage. The open plan living that flows to the north-facing deck and the secure gardens, which are ideal for those with pets and children. And entertaining's never been easier in this private and super sunny setting. Parking is at the door, with another visitor spot on the drive capping off this hassle-free city fringe opportunity. And it's set in a small complex of 6. The tidy duplex offers a low-maintenance lifestyle and a fabulous location right opposite Fowlds Park and within a 10 minutes walk of St Luke's shopping, wining and dining at Morningside and Kingsland, or hopping on a train to the CBD. We think this is going to be such a great opportunity for a wide part of the market, so make sure you come along on the weekend or give us a call and arrange a private viewing.